So guys, I just picked up Apple's 5K 27-inch studio display, and these are my first impressions. So behind me, I have Apple's 5K 27-inch studio display, and I originally had an LG display that I am now replacing with this. This is what I've really wanted for a long time, and in this video, I'm gonna deliver my first impressions to you. I got the Apple Studio display without the nano textured glass, so it's just standard glass. And I didn't get the tilt and height adjustable arm, I just got the tilt adjustable arm. And so it was really like base everything, and it cost about $1,700. So not a cheap display by any means, but I really needed something, and I use Apple. So I figured I'll stick with Apple this time, even though before I had an LG. First impressions is, wow. I mean, the color, the size of the display, it's just in your face and you're just immersed in everything that you're doing. And it just looks beautiful. And I really do like the design of the display. It looks very futuristic. Lots of similarities to the Pro XDR display that Apple sells, which is just an insane display that costs an insane amount of money. So this is definitely a step down from that, obviously, but this is still very impressive. It also has the new camera built in with Center Stage, which is Apple's new feature where the camera kind of follows you as you move around, or if there's an additional person that comes on screen, it zooms out and gets them in the frame. So it's a really cool feature, but I will say I'm very disappointed with the quality of this camera on this display. For its price, the quality is just garbage, and I would never want to use this for anything other than a FaceTime call. But what is definitely not trash is that sound system. It sounds incredible when you're sitting in front of the display. You really, if you're gonna buy this, you don't need external speakers at all. The sound that's coming from this is just awesome. It also has 4 USB-C ports on the back, which Apple calls Thunderbolt ports. One of them is used to connect to your MacBook, and then the other 3 you can use for your hard drives and whatnot, which is what I'm using them for right now. And honestly, that's great because it frees up my other ports on my MacBook, and now I just have a ton of different ports that I can use. Overall, I'm very happy. Even though I just got this yesterday, it's literally already changing my life when it comes to editing. I definitely would recommend this even after just using it for 24 hours. But down the line, I will release an update video about this display, but really I covered a lot of it in this video, so I don't see the need to do like a full in-depth review. It's pretty basic. It's a display that you use with your computer. So I feel like we covered our bases pretty good, and I feel like the experience that I've had with it this far is, you know, gonna be what it is. But I really am glad I bought it. I would recommend it to you if you can afford it. It's expensive, worth it for sure. Anyway, if you liked the video, hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and be sure to hit that like button so that this video can rank higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.